Wanted, cops calling Omar Best-Collymore for his wife's murder. Police detectives have obtained a warrant for the arrest of Omar Best-Collymore in connection with the murder of his wife, SIMOME Campbell-Collymore, and Winston Walters, a taxi operator of Stillwell Road, St. Andrew, which was committed on Tuesday, January 2nd, 2018 at 3:57 p.m. along Stanley Terrace in the Red Hills area of St. Andrew. Sources said the attack took place while Miss Collymore was heading home in a taxi that was being driven by Walters. They had just arrived at an apartment building where Collymore lived when four men traveling on two bikes rode up. Two of the men got off the bikes and opened fire multiple times, hitting the woman and the taxi operator. Campbell-Collymore and Walters died on the spot. It is reported that the woman sustained 21 gunshot wounds. It is alleged that a day before the funeral of Simone Campbell, Omar Collymore was attempting to leave the island when he was spotted by police at the Norman Manley International Airport. He was later questioned by investigators in the presence of his lawyer and released. It is understood that Collymore declined to answer hundreds of questions. Following intensive investigations by detectives from the Constant Spring police station, Collymore, along with others, have been identified as being allegedly involved as co-conspirators in the double murder. The police said two persons are already in custody in relation to the crime and other suspects are being sought for questioning. Collymore, who is a US national and a native of Barbados, is being asked to report to the Constant Spring Criminal Investigation Branch CIB, the Major Investigation Division, or the Criminal Investigations Branch headquarters at 2 Oxford Road, Kingston 5. Omar Best-Collymore was recently shot in a brazen gun attack at a premises which houses an office of Allied Insurance in New Kingston. The car in which he and another person traveled to the complex was attacked by a lone gunman in the car park and sprayed with bullets. However, Collymore escaped with relatively minor injuries. Video footage of the violent gun attack, which is purported to be of the killing of Simone Campbell-Collymore and Walters, is circulating on social media, but the police have declined to comment on whether the footage is actually of the particular killing. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.